Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a ballerina bun on natural hair. It has been some time since I washed my hair, but I've been finger detangling it quite a bit, so I'm hoping this is not a difficult process. It's always going to be easier when your hair has recently been conditioned and when your hair is wet. So even if you can't condition it before you do this, make sure you get your hair damp all over. So I have this water spray bottle. I have 2 scrunchies. They don't have any metal on them because I try to avoid those so that they don't cause my hair to break and pull it. I have some bobby pins, my brush. I also have some leave-in conditioner that my mom makes. Clear so up so you can see. I have her smoothing gel. And I also have her butter. Also gonna help for you to have edge toothbrush and something to hold your hair down whenever you finish. I don't have any open pins or a hair net. Those you can use for the classic way of doing this. I just got what I got. So we're gonna work with this. So I say the classic way, but I mean the more in-depth way, which I'll be doing in the second half of this video with a hairnet and open pins because I was able to grab some maybe a week or 2 later. This is just me unbraiding gently with some oil. I use oil because it makes my fingers more gentle on my hair follicles. Now, if I were about to leave the house and I were not recording a tutorial, I would kind of just separate these sections and go. But today we are doing a bun tutorial. I hadn't mentioned this yet, but my hair is moisturized because each night I moisturize and twist or braid it in 2. At this point you want to decide whether you want a part. I'm gonna do one down the middle because I kind of have a part there already. It shouldn't be difficult to get it nice and neat. For the sake of protecting your hair while in this style or any style, I would suggest your hair being moisturized prior to coating the top layer with your slicking product. A part is not necessary, but I personally find that with thicker hair, it's easier to slick it down at an angle going down the side of my face as opposed to going over my head. If you don't have a spray bottle, try to use a towel over your shoulders and just wet your hands and apply the water that way, little by little. Growing up, my mom always slicked my hair up into a puff on the top of my head for ballet. I think it was easier for her and more freeing for my curls, I would admit, and it wasn't in my way. Alright, the full head is damp. Now we can start to apply product to the part we're going to slick, and that's like this over part, and that is also underneath. Because I do already have moisture throughout my hair, I'm not too concerned about getting it in the other areas. So we are just going to be applying our leave-in conditioner on the outside. I have quite a bit. I don't believe that wearing a ballet bun is necessary for every class, but when you play certain roles or when you have a recital, it may make it easier for you to add in certain hair pieces or just to have everything slicked and tucked away. The physics side of things behind momentum may be a little bit of a stretch, but you can imagine the spaces between your curls as pockets that air passes through. The same reason why skaters tuck their arms to spin more quickly, or waving something with holes will travel more slowly through the air than something slick and compact. It could be that slicking our hair back or up and tucking it away helps us to practice cleaner pirouettes. You may see that I'm very thorough with the way I do this. It's just because I really want it to be smooth and as neat as possible. And I'm going to take one of those scrunchies and just kind of put it back so we can start holding. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to go to the other side. So I'm noticing some lifting in this area, and I'm just going to pull through and make sure that there's moisture in there. And at this point, if I need to put more water, I'll do that so that part can lay flat too, and I can get some more conditioner as well. Put it more so on my fingertips and then kind of kind of pull it through. And you can take that brush again. So now I'm gonna take both of these off. I'm gonna brush this bottom part. And then we're just gonna kind of do a rough. This is still not the bun, okay? We're still laying down the hair because we all know how thick it can be. So now you can do gel or butter. I think I'm gonna do both, honestly, to get a nice look. So I just took some gel. I'm pulling it across this area. I think what I'll do is focus the gel mostly on the edges and then focus the butter on the top. Take some butter. And it's gonna look white at first. Also want to put a little gel on stuff. And do the final brushing.
You do not have to tighten your scrunchie as much as I did. As a matter of fact, I encourage you not to because I did have to loosen it. It was too tight. So you're going to twist the part of your hair that is left out. You can do 1 or 2. And then just wrap it or them around themselves and pin it, and then pin whatever other areas are not lying flat. I did add another one on there, but I didn't need it. And now I just use those bobby pins to secure anything that decided to fly away even after all of that work.
So do you need me to let you go for this?
Sweater, I want you to stay.
Okay.
Please be good.
Hey everybody, I'm back, and this time I'm adding a few different materials. We are using a hairnet, and we're also using open pins. Everything else is the same. This time it is gonna be a higher bun. Let's get started.
So I'm speeding through much of this because you have seen it done once before with my first bun. Of course, I'm starting with my water spray bottle. Next, I'm adding leave-in conditioner, and then I'll brush it up right away. After I had it in a ponytail, I added gel to my edges and began to brush that. I decided to add more water before adding more leave-in conditioner to my puff.
And I'm actually about to go ahead and tie down this front part because we're not gonna have that raising up.
I just slicked my edges before tying them down, but I kind of wish I had swooped them as well, although I will go in to do that later. This time I decided to do 2 twists and to wrap those around each other.
Oh my gosh, this is the cutest little bun. Why have I never done this?
Well, clearly it is not the fastest process, but I liked it so much that I am so doing my hair this way for my next ballet class. I'm sure it also gets faster the more that you do it. So now for the open pins, which before this day I had never used because what are those for? But basically we're using them to anchor the bun to your head. So what I did was take one for each side of my circle, push it in on the edge, and then slide it into, but underneath, the part of your hair that is slicked, if that makes sense. Right here, I'm just setting my hair in place near the bun because I couldn't tie anything around that area without it slipping off. I am so curious as to which one you liked more and if you've ever done a ballet bun on yourself. Are you required to wear a ballet bun where you dance?
Oh my gosh, this is adorable.
What feelings arise for you around this requirement? Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe if you want to see more, and see you in the next one.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I really hope that this helped you. Bye.